Hi guys, welcome to our first tutorial on Think Creativity. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to retouch your picture from looking like this to looking like this just in a couple of minutes. Now without wasting much of your time, my name is Okbago Richman Chinedu and I'm going to be diving right into Photoshop. Now the first thing we want to do is to select our patch tool. Now the patch tool is used to remove unwanted surface or elements in our picture. So we're just going to use the patch tool to pick out this pimple around her face. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to hit on my laser tool. Now I'm going to set my feather to 30 pixels and I'm going to trace out the path on our forehead. Now I'm going to go to Gaussian blur and I'm going to hit OK. Now the next thing I want to do is to use my clone tool. The clone tool simply allows you to duplicate parts of the image. So I'm going to use my clone tool to duplicate those parts and clone them. So I'm going to click on my clone tool. I'm going to set my opacity to 30. I'm going to leave my flow at 100%. I'm going to hold down my alternate key to select the part I wish to clone. I'm going to reduce my brush a little bit. I'm going to start cloning. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to duplicate that same layer to 2 extra copies. I'm going to rename the top copy Born. I'm going to rename the one beneath Dodge. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on my Ctrl M on my keyboard. Now for the Born, I'm going to reduce and I'm going to increase the highlights on my Dodge. Then the next thing I want to do is to add my max. Ctrl I to invert. Add my max. Ctrl I to invert. Then I'm going to click on my eraser tool. E on the shortcut. Then I'm going to change my opacity to 5%. I'm going to change the hardness to 0. I'm going to leave the flow at 100%. Then what I basically want to do now is to add light to some part that looks a bit dark. I'm going to burn off those parts that are too bright. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So on the forehead here, gently. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you can get notifications on when we drop our next videos. Any question you have, just send directly to the comment section and I'll be very willing to answer your questions. Thank you.